and as media, tayo, lahat na importanteng paalam sa taong bayan yung kahalagahan ng Senado, yung role na ginagampanan ng Senado. And historically, that's the institution is the last bastion of democracy. So, napakahalaga talaga niyan. Mas mahalaga ngayon dahil nga po may impeachment, hindi din biro yung impeachment court, hindi rin biro na yung trabaho mo na regular as legislator ngayon, member ka pa ng jury, hindi din po biro yun. I think it's a daunting task. So talagang yung iluluklok mo should know that and should be able to contribute sa isang matagumpay at magaling na Senado.
May ini-endorse ka ba, sir?
I wanted to say na yung grupo po namin sa Sibak Party List, yung kinabibilangan kong siguro hindi naman na ikakaila na itago na lang natin yung pangalan ng tatay ko sa pangalang Brother Eddie, meron pong search committee na ongoing yung kanilang mga pagpupulong. I was invited several times na parang 3 times na sa mga deliberations po nila. So I'd like to just leave it to them, no, dun sa search committee.
Sa senatorial, sir?
Yes, yung sa senatorial. I think dun sa mga local din, meron din po sila. Sa mga provincial and city, I think meron din po silang ganun na mekanismo.
Sir, ito muna, kailan itong meeting at ano na pag-meetingan niyo, sir?
Hindi, kagabi po, kahapon lang po yan, nag-lunch po kami. And
ano na pag-usapan, sir?
Wala, parang exchange of notes, how we're looking at the campaign, whatever's going on. May hearing si Senator Alan, he's inviting me on Wednesday kasi nag-participate ako nung last time. But I don't know, maybe I'll be able to catch up because I have like 3 activities in Bulacan, in PUP in Santa Maria, and several others in the province of Bulacan. So I don't know kung makahabol po ako. Morning naman yun to afternoon. So I think 1 p.m. po yung hearing ni Senator Alan. And then yeah, we discussed yung digital nomad visa. We also wala naman kami na-discuss na impeachment except the robe yata. Parang we're just making fun of ourselves na magsusuot ng robe and all.
Politics wala, sir?
Meron ba? I think mga tidbits of like what's going on in this particular district, this town, this city, who's running, who's leading, who do we think is gonna make it, etc. So gano'n, I think it's very natural for us. I mean, as a senator, syempre, di ba, tatanungin mo, sinong malakas sa Senado, sinong mga may chance, sinong wala, sinong papasok sure na.
At sino nga? Sino lumabas sa usapan? Sino nga? Anyway, Mayan, and then Danielle, and then Marlon. May about labor.
Hello. Okay na. Okay. Sir, a few questions from me. Sir, sorry, balikan ko yung
Labor.
minimum wage. Sir,
Wage.
are you planning to seek audience with the President to make it a priority because you only have a few weeks pagbalik nyo, sir, kung gusto nyo maihabol sa 19th?
I wish I have that appeal, as you may say, na I'm more than willing to sit with him and discuss all this data, information na we can actually pass this minimum wage increase, 100 pesos minimum wage increase.
Was it among the things that you discussed yesterday dun sa meeting with SP to make it a priority bill?
Wala na kaming pagdidiscussion sa Senate because tapos na sa Senado eh. So it's already passed on 3rd and final reading. In fact, I also saw Senator Jinggoy kahapon din in the area. As the labor chair noon, siya yung nag-defend nun eh.
Sir, impeachment, at impeachment, how are you preparing for it since malapit na yung June? Are you brushing up on the Constitution? Things like that?
Not just the Constitution, but yung mga Supreme Court decisions, mga precedents. Andito sa kaliwat kanan ko yung mga staff ko. Walang ginawa yan kundi magbasa, mag-aral, and then once in a while we discuss and talk about procedures, rules, the possible tendencies. Baga sa basketball, nakita ko si Marlon, yung mga tendencies pag pumunta rito, pag pumunta doon, if this motion would be motions that are relevant motions, motions na maaaring out of order or hindi po pwede. Discussions like that. For instance, I'll give you a good example to discuss. It's a long discussion. Sila Sen Sani ba? Sila Sen Nancy ba? Magsusuot ng robe at kasi pagbalik namin, i-start na rin yung impeachment court eh. Not the trial, but the court.
So, dapat kasama Senator Sani.
Exactly. The discussion kay Senator Sani. Sige, dun, maganda yun. Sige, si Senator Sani, di ba? Ang resignation niya is a senator, legislator, di ba? But doon ba sa resignation niya, part yung pagiging judge niya as a senator judge? It's a discussion.
So anong
Marami.
sagot?
Ang point ko, Mayan, is maraming angles. You can choose na pwede mong i-discuss, di ba? Wala pang precedent na ganito. So, these are all legitimate issues that you can discuss. Kasi Senator Sani, I can take that path. For example lang, just for the sake of discussion, na he is still a judge, a senator judge.
Part pa rin ng 19 Congress.
Because he's still part of the 19
Is that part of
Congress.
what you will resolve sa June? Na
Well,
napag-usapan niyo yan?
Hindi ko alam if this is part of it, but there are thousands of possibilities So, ang sinasabi ko nga, Mayan, part of how you're preparing for it is to look into these tendencies.
Sir, sorry. Yung diniscuss nyo kung dapat kasama si Sen Sani ay with your staff,
With my
not
staff
with the
na.
SP.
Staff
Okay.
na, staff.
Kala namin with SP.
Kasi ang question mo, di ba, yung how
Yes, sir.
I'm preparing. So,
Sir,
I can only speak for myself.
Ano yung legal point of view ng mga legis mo, sir?
Hati marami. Iba-iba. Which is good. Pagka pare-pareho kami mag-isip or tayo lahat pare-pareho mag-isip. Yun ang kagandahan ng Senado, kaya maganda rin na iba-iba yung background nung ine-elect natin at expertise. So, that goes to show my expertise.
Sir, is the last two from me. Nag-hire na po kayo ng additional legal staff? Mga ganon?
May mga consultants, may mga kinonsult, not necessarily hire.
And then, sir, isa na lang. Yung usapan nyo kahapon, meeting nyo with SP and
We just
the
had
others.
lunch
Lunch,
Just
okay.
had lunch.
Napag-usapan yung leadership pag, syempre, kung siya pa rin pagpasok kasi may mga papasok na mga bago.
Wala naman. It's more of sinong papasok, sinong hindi, tingin namin. Kanya-kanya, di ba? And then, kanya-kanya rin na saan ka mas naniniwala? Sa SWS ba? Sa PALS? Sa OCTA? Sa mga gano'n, di ba? Kasi marami ding hakchaw na survey na lumalabas din, di ba? So, things like that. No, he found out kasi si SB would always know if we're here Like right now, I'm sure that he knows that I'm with all of you. So, are you here? You wanna have lunch? May pagkain kami dito, may Chinese food. So,
Biglaan, sir.
yeah, biglaan lang.
Okay, Danielle, and then Marlon, and then Beck. Okay.
Sir, balikan ko lang yung sa select committee nyo. Sa JIL po ba yan, sir? Tsaka,
Yeah.
meron na bang mga matutunog na pangalan lang na i-endorse yung JIL or yung Christian groups?
Yeah.
The group that is part of the search committee are all JIL members from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. I sat 3 times na yata. Third nung last kasama ka nung gabi, no. Yun, ano lang ako, tinatanong lang ako, views ko, etc. Yun.
Sir, may mga pangalan lang.
Oo, may mga
matutunog.
pangalan.
Matutunog lang, sir.
Sino yung mga...
Mga pangalan? Well, diniscuss na. Maraming kinonsider Definitely more than 12 yung kinonsider. Diba? And I have to say, dun sa discussions, open na pwedeng 12, pwedeng hindi. I think they will announce yata in the next 2 or 3 days.
Maraming
I'm not sure kung buo na or may mga na-discuss.
So marami ba doon? Re-electionist o returning senator? You name some, sir.
Siguro kung if I would name, ang hirap kasi mag-name kasi